This is why you need to spot the Nilkant on Dussehra. The Indian roller bird, also known as Nilkant, is a sight to behold on Dussehra. Why? Because it's believed to bring blessings from Lord Shiva himself. In Hindu mythology, Shiva drank poison during the churning of the ocean, turning his throat blue. So, the Nilkant's blue throat is a divine symbol of protection and good fortune. On Dussehra, we celebrate the victory of good over evil, marking Lord Rama's triumph over Ravana. Spotting a Nilkant is seen as an omen of luck and prosperity. In many regions, people actively search for this bird, believing its sighting wards off negativity and ensures a blessed year ahead. So, this Dussehra, keep an eye out